Hey guys, you're welcome to Coinspace with Austin. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Ichimoku cloud indicator to actually generate signals so as to go into the market and exit, buy signals and sell signals as well. Now the Ichimoku indicator has very complicated components, but I'm going to make it look a lot more easier in this video. I'm going to explain it very simply. Now the Ichimoku cloud has a cloud which gives it the name the Ichimoku cloud, which is what you can actually see right now. And then if you notice, there are lines, there are blue lines and a red line as well, which is the conversion line and also the baseline. Now for you to actually understand where the market is going to, you need to look at your conversion line on your baseline. Now if the conversion line forms above the baseline, is actually a good signal for you to go in when the candlesticks have moved above the cloud, which is basically what you can see in this particular market right now. But if the candlesticks are forming around the cloud, it means the market is very indecisive, which is a complicated market to go in. But if the market forms below the cloud, it means it's a sell signal. And also you need to take cognizance of the conversion line and the baseline as well. The conversion line need to form above the baseline. Do not forget that. That's for a buy signal. And for a sell signal, the baseline needs to form below the conversion line. Now that is basically how it works. You can see that the components are a lot and it makes it look complicated, but it is not. Then if you come to the cloud, you can see that the cloud is opened at the extreme and it's looking green, which is a buy signal. But if you come to the cloud before this one, you're gonna see that the cloud is looking reddish, which is a sell signal that has already closed up for a buy signal. And one important thing you need to take note of, the wider the cloud, the wider the signal it's projecting at that particular point. And the further the candlesticks are away from the cloud, the more the candlesticks are going to move in that particular direction. This is how the Ichimoku cloud works. If you like this content, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button. It does help me a whole lot. And don't forget, this is Austin and this is Coinspace.